Hello, in this video I will show you how to change passcode on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you have to start with opening Settings application and now scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode option, and now you have to type in your passcode. Now scroll down and click on Change Passcode, and now you have to type in your passcode again. And now you have to type in your new passcode and click use anyway if your passcode is too simple, and enter your passcode again. And now your passcode has been changed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.